Alright people, so watch out now. Them two tablets I wanna look on. One is the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which is this. It make from 1901 from Adam and Eve did in the garden. And this one I look on over here so are the Galaxy Tab S9 come out right after this. Two powerful machine you look on, except the only thing different from this and this is that these are the S8 with a bigger screen real estate, larger screen real estate, 14.6 inches, while this is a 12.4 inch tablet. However, what we notice them reviewers here do, them will tell you the specs of the tablet, them will tell you them capabilities, but me not really see which part them a walk the people them through certain steps when it comes to executing certain tasks. Them just say, yeah man, the tablet can do this, and them just push that aside and next thing again. But what me I was showing you now is how to use especially one app called Samsung Notes, because it's one of the most powerful note-taking app on this tablet here, where you can ever think of. I don't think, and by the way, we have almost all of the note-taking apps them. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do a frequency table. So a frequency table is one of the statistical branches in mathematics. You know, people afraid of statistics. A whole heap of people say it drives them up a wall. But and I'm nothing to be afraid of. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you one simple example of whether you go to university or whether you go high school, whatever you do, how to go about using this tablet for practice, because a practice make perfect. And most of the people, most of them afraid of certain things, especially mathematics, are really practicing and not practice. So this fear I want to develop, it is very unnecessary. Once you practice anything at all, you must get it no matter how you're not good. So we're going to use the Tab S9 Plus to demonstrate the steps in completing a frequency table and probably find the mode or whatever. I do one video on that already. Now if you can look, if you look on these tablets, you can observe that both of them are in DeX mode. You know, that special skin the way Samsung have for them tablets where gear the desktop-like environment. Well, let me announce that I have not been using any laptop for the past how many years, I think since the Tab S6. When we hear people say the tablet them can't replace laptop, well, it replaces it for me, and anything you throw at these tablets, they can handle it. May I tell you, they manage any task where you dash give them. Because all it takes, as we say, is practice, and you have to know how to use it. You have to just play around with it and you will understand what go on. Yes, it now go 100 like the laptop in terms of where you're used to, and that is where the confusion comes in. Once you know it though, you don't really need a laptop, especially when you do some academic tasks. So watch how we get down into the real meat of the matter now. So right now, as you can see, it is mounted to, this tablet is mounted to a Dexnar keyboard. Yes, we have the Samsung book cover keyboard for this, which I have another video. So I'm going to remove it and use it like a book, because using this tablet, you don't need a book, you don't need nothing else more than just this tablet, because anything you want, you can find it. Funny. So we're going to take off this, see there? So I'm going to turn off this and put it one side. Put that over there, so separate and apart from DeX mode, you can actually use the tablet like a book, a notebook. That's the point I try to bring across right here. So when you meet with your school group and you decide so now to practice some maths, you don't need to have it like this, because you want to put it down on a flat surface and you want to do your writing with Samsung Note. So when you meet with your school group, you want to put it down on a flat surface and do your note taking or your maths practice or whatever it is you're doing, especially if you're in a one class and you write down notes from your lecturer or just about anything. So let's say you meet with a group under one gazebo on campus or somewhere convenient and you want to do some writing. I'm going to demonstrate to you how you do it. And it's best if you have one of them little cases here. Look on it. Alright, and you know why? Because on the back of this tablet, it have the camera bump on it, right there, so. You see it? So when you put it down, the camera will rest on the surface. So when it rests on the surface now, the lens them have the potential to get scratch. And you know, once them are scratch up a pure foolishness, the camera will show you. So the best thing to do, put it in a little case. And this now, we protect, make certain say it fits perfectly over it. And see it you know? So I could look on it. So when you put it down on the surface, you have this enough to cushion it, like this. Now, one of the things we want to show, alright, I could move this from this. One of the things we want to show now is that when you open Samsung Notes, you can open it, forget your 2 pages, them side and side. You just go in your page settings, go in your option, page settings, and you look on the scroll option. I'll show you it. So if you want a single page, you can get the single page so. You want horizontal scrolling same way, you get it there so. And your horizontal double page. But because I want to use it now in our book like manner, I want to get the book feeling. Alright, so I'm going to exit Dex and then I show you how to work from this up. And everybody would know by now how to exit Dex. So you just click the Dex button, you have one heap of way to do it. This is one of the ways then. So we are going to tablet mode. So we are exit Dex. So right away, we're going in a tablet mode. Good? So the next thing you're going to do from right here, so now, you open your notes. See that? And you might want your calculator, or if you have it in a edge panel, there so. So you can add a calculator to your edge panel by editing your edge panel like this. And you just put your calculator in it. See that? So your calculator is added. So when you need a calculator, all you have to do, because a multitasking thing this, you know. These are the beast. These are the king of multitasking. All you need to do is hold the calculator and carry it come drop in at the middle right there so. Let me do it again and show you. Cancel. So look, edge panel. I drop it in at the middle. Clear. So if you don't want to close this calculator here, but you want to minimize it, all you do you press right here so. And you minimize it and you put it somewhere suitable on the screen. So now we're going to first title with page. So make we choose a title feed. So frequency table. And you can put practice for it in this case. So see it there? Frequency table practice. Now whatever page you want, you got page template feed. Shown this already. And you can select rule lines if you need that. Alright. So now down to the meat of the matter now. We're going to look now for the question what we want to do. So you screenshot one question, or you take a picture of it, or you scan it, or whatever you do. You press a plus icon here. When you press this plus icon, you know you can get in anything. We showed you that already. So image, and we have to select what image we want right there so. So make a look on recent. So you can resize the image because you want to see exactly what you do. You set it properly on the page. Click outside it and that's it. So now, what this question is asking, it says, a class of 30 students counted the number of books in their bags on a certain day. The number of books in each bag is shown below. So this is what they might tell you. See it here? So what they're asking for you to do, or for us to do now. First, it's a copy and complete the frequency table for the data shown above. That are this, where you have your so. Group data. And then now write down your so. B, state the modal number of books in the bag of the sample of students. And then it's a using the table in A above or otherwise that I see now. 1, it's a calculate 1, the total number of books. 2, the mean number of books per bag. So that easy. So look how we get down to work with this now. So first, what this is asking, which is A, copy and complete the frequency table for the data shown above. It means we have to go complete the tally column, the frequency column, and the column here. You see what I say? F times X column. All three of them. So look, see it give an example. It gives an example. So forget this right here. So first, you have to multiply number of books by your frequency. See there? F times X. See X here and see F there. So you have to multiply this here by this here to get this. See there? So when you reach this up, we will show you. We're going to start with this first. So you see which part you don't even need a book. Alright. So we're going to select a pen, the most suitable pen. Or we can select a pencil. Either way. So I don't know if you know how we select a pencil if you do this, but we're going to select a color. So we set the pencil to where we want it. We could test how it's right. Alright, this look like it can go on. Alright, so the first color, because you can color it, you can use color to ensure, say, you don't make no mistake. This is which part it better than a book, because if you did have one book or just one pen, you don't have to mark it off. You see that? So we're going to start off with red point pencil. So the first thing we want to find, because you then find this for we already, then find one for we already, and then find two for we. So we're going to find 3. So look how you find 3 now. So we check the first row right there, so. And so we get 1 3 there already. 2 3. 3 3. I don't see no more 3 up there, so that's a 3 so far. 4. 5. So see, we could count them. So 1, we don't see none there, so 2, 3, we don't see no more there, so 4, 5. So what we are going to do now, because I tally you create, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you tally that. See it? And the frequency are going to be 5, same way. See that? Then now, we want 4, so we're going to change the color again. We're going to use blue. So it's your first 4 there, second 4, third 4, fourth 4, fifth 4, and the sixth 4. So see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't see any other 4, let me know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, let me do it better. So once you press the button on the pen, it erases it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put your 6 there, so. So we're going to look for some 5 here now. We're going to change the color again. Want me to change the color to yellow? Alright. So it's your first 5 here. 1. Well, I don't like how this look. I brighten it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't see no other 5 there, so. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put a 7 there, so. That's kind of dull still, but make it 1. Next one again is 6. Which color we are going to use for 6 now? Can't use black because we don't use no black yet, even though black up there, so. So see your first 6 here. 1. We don't see no more 6 in another row there. 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your 4 there, so. And then we are going to do 7. Which color we are going to use the 7? Purple. Alright, purple look like a good color. So see your first 7 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You put your 3 there, so. Table still not complete yet, you know. Because we have over here stuff to do. So this is which part your calculator come in place if you don't know your timetable. So see it say 2 1s 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. See it? 3 5s are 15. So we're going to go back for the red again. So 15, we'll go back for the blue for that now. So we're going to say 4 6s are 24. See there? 4 times 6 are 24. Well, and F times, so we should have said 6 4 24. But I same thing. It don't matter. All right. So 7 5 are 35. Make we get the yellow. So 7 5 are 35. Make we get back the black for this now. And 24, yeah, so again. And then 3 7s are 21. Purple. We get the purple for this. So. You see that? So, your table is now being completed. You want the next page, you just do that. Carry it up and hold it. Alright. So, see the next part of where them ask for yes or no. It says state the modal number of books in the sample of students. 1 mark then give for this. You get 4 marks for complete the table. You get 1 mark for that question there. So what are the modal number? Alright, make we get one black for the answer. So the modal number is this. Why it is it with number 5? Why it is the modal number? It is the highest, it is the most frequent number within the data set. See there? See 5 there? Sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should have brighter because since are the one what them ask for. You see me? But at least that's still. So right between them two sub questions, you can put the modal number of books is 5, or if you have an answer sheet where you want to put it on, then you can do that. So like what practice, you can maybe use back the same color if you represent it. You see me? So it's using the table in A above or otherwise, calculate first the total number of books. So make we calculate the total number of books, which is this column you find that in. So 3 book, 6 book, 10 book, 15 book, 21 book, 28 book. So 2 marks then give for that. So make we use one black for answer that. Yeah, so we move on now to another part of the same question, which is C, because we do this already, so we're going to do this. So this is asking to calculate the mean number of books per bag. So to find the mean number of books per bag is the sum of all of the numbers, which is 28 up here. So it's a follow-up question. This is a follow-up question from 28. Divided by the amount of numbers. We do that in the next video already. So we have 28 here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to divide 28 by 7. And if my timetable memory serves me right, then 28 divided by 7 are going to be 4 times. So we can test that on the calculator. That's how your calculator come into play. So 28 divided by 7 give 4. See there? The answer is 4. So that easy again. You can say mean equal to 4 times mean number of books. Now we'll move on to the other part now. It's a determine the probability that a student chosen at random has less than 4 books in his or her bag. Now, how we are going to do that? Simple again, because of 2 marks for that, even though some people afraid of probability.